Hi, I'm Camille Allen. I wanted to share with you some frustrations that I have, which is that there's dozens and dozens of duplexes on the market, yet it's still hard to find something of good quality and workmanship. You'd soon enough lose your hair, like me, if you counted the time and the hours spent looking for a builder that actually put some pride and perfection into their finished product. However, I stand here proud in front of you today to let you know I have found you just the one. Our builders have spent over 36 years perfecting their craft in the prestige property market, and architecturally these have been designed by the renowned Vic Lake architects. Built to the standard that no other builders are interested in producing, this home has been over-engineered and overspent in every area, from its masonry walls and slabs, to the coloured face bricks imported from Spain, to its hydraulic lift imported from Italy, or its designed German hinges on all doors and cupboards. Price is really no object when you are chasing a masterpiece. A purpose-designed enclosed front yard with covered portico and separated fence gives you the feeling of complete privacy and separation. While its acoustically engineered reinforced concrete wall dividers and even its dense commercial aluminium window frames assure that you never hear anything from the outside world once you're nestled inside your own abode. Practicalities like storage has been considered in every way on both levels, from its huge understair storage, entrance seating and shoe shelving, to broom closets with power points, additional cabinetry in the two-car garage to allow for workshop or kitchenette, multiple linen presses, built-in robes offer both shoe and hanging space, plus drawers and shelves, complemented with internal mirrors as well. And for those tech-savvy buyers, smart inclusions like fireplace, aircon, front door, front gate, intercom and garage doors can all be customised to be controlled via your mobile phone. The epitome of luxury, this 4-bedroom Torrens title home with double garage and internal lift was designed for those that truly enjoy resort-style relaxation at its finest. If you're looking for a quality home, then look no further than number 48A Jellicoe Street, Caringbah South.